welcome to Dress Up Tara's channel. So in this video we're gonna do a pumpkin facial mask, and I bought this at the 99-cent store. It is pumpkin, so I'm gonna try this out because I heard really good benefits about it. So we're gonna start prepping this. I can't wait to try it because it's pumpkin season and it's fall season. Let's get our pumpkin on. So to begin with, I'll be using sugarcane, a can of pumpkin puree, and also honey. The amount of the ingredients that I will be using will be a spoon size to mix all the ingredients together. Once I finish mixing the ingredients, next, put the pumpkin facial in the fridge for about 30 minutes to have it cool. I already washed my face and I already pulled the pumpkin out of the fridge, so the plate feels cold. Watch. I have a feeling that my face will be cold as well. Take off my glasses. See, just... Oh, it's cold, it's cold. Ooh, that feels smooth. Yes. Let's talk about benefits on doing pumpkin facial mask. Pumpkin contains vitamin A, C, and E, and antioxidants, which helps fight sun damage and wrinkles. It also has fruit enzymes that help naturally exfoliate dead skin cells. Plus, it contains zinc and potassium to combat redness. Oh my god, it actually feels nice. My face is all orange and all pumpkin-y. Oh, no. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. That smells good. My face is orange. It's like, okay, I waited for 10 minutes and I look like a freaking Cheeto. I also put some on the neck and I think it's called the Dolce facial or something like that. But I just wanted to try it just for fun. But I already wet my towel. It's with warm water to take off the pumpkin facial because it's like sort of sticky, but it's not sticky at all. But like it's easier to just take it off. So I'm just gonna do that now, and let me just do it upwards. Oh, wow, look at that. My pumpkin. Did you know that pumpkin offers 6 amazing benefits for your skin? Number 1, anti-aging. Pumpkin contains vitamin A to help boost collagen production and prevent the signs of aging. Second, it also helps to fight acne. Pumpkin enzymes penetrates pores, exfoliate dead skin, reduce the sebum oil, and kill bacteria to treat acne. So make sure when you wipe off the pumpkin facial, you just wipe away from your face. And then with the neck, you just up and slide. But I don't think I did that, but just letting you all know, it's just like up and slide. You go up and to the side, up to the side, up to the side. Gotta push those blood cells. Look at all that pumpkin. All that pumpkin. Okay. I brought my skincare, so I'm gonna apply this onto my face. The toner, the Morbidusco. I really love this. Spray some on my face. I know it's a lot, but I really like how it feels. So let that dry. Whew. Let that dry. I'm gonna apply some eye serum. Gotta moisturize your eyes and your eyelids. It's a dry skin cream moisturizer. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this. Third, it makes the skin brighter. Pumpkin is packed with fruit enzymes and alpha hydroxy acids, which increase cell turnover to brighten and smooth the dull skin. Time's up and to be continued. Neck as well. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, get my moisturizer, just rub it like this on my fingertips. And then we're just gonna massage it. Push it back. Ooh, yes. Oh, that actually feels really good. And it's really important and good to do a facial before you apply makeup, because like the makeup will last longer and it will be easier to apply makeup on your face, because like the skin is smooth, the skin is smoothed out and clean. It's ready to like, the foundation just puts on like smoothly, and I'll show you in a second. It's gonna be hard because like I have to wear my contacts in order to apply makeup, but I don't feel like wearing makeup. I mean, take that back, I don't feel like wearing my contacts right now since I'm not gonna go out. Okay, I'm gonna let my moisturizer dry up and soon we're gonna prep the face. Okay, I am ready to prep my face. I have my, taking off my glasses. Returning the fun facts. Number 4, it's powerful antioxidant. Pumpkin is a good source of a vitamin C, which is powerful antioxidant, and also contains beta carotene, which helps to reverse the UV damage and improve skin texture. Number 5, builds collagen and elastin. Pumpkin is rich in copper, which is an important nutrient for building collagen and elastin. Number 6, soothe and soften dry skin. The pumpkin is rich in vitamin E. This plays an important role in neutralizing free radicals, moisturizing skin, and improving the appearance of visible skin aging. And I'm all done. I'm gonna go outside to show you, like, ooh. So I tried to make a quick mini photo shoot of my face, and my face with the makeup on looks super good, and I didn't have enough lighting because the sun is setting down, and I like it. I feel like the makeup stands out even more. Like it's easier to apply makeup on, and then like it feels so soft. Like I can't get enough of this. I do recommend doing a facial before applying your makeup on. Wherever you go, you can look bomb, and like it doesn't have to be like a extravagant event. It could be like a girls' night out, you know, because every girl hang out, they like to take selfies and be like, yes, yes. And of course you want to look bomb. And so far, so my skin looks so good. Like even though I do like a natural makeup, but like I don't even want to take my makeup off, and then I need to go to bed like at 10, so it looks really good. I do recommend others to apply facial, especially pumpkin facial, because like it makes your skin glow and brighten, and then like I could feel like the makeup like setting in well, and I recommend it. And like since it's fall season, do your pumpkin facial mask like for Halloween parties, for Thanksgiving coming around, even Christmas and New Year's. You gotta have your skin looking good and hydrate your face as well. But thank you all for watching my video. So thank you. Next.